Paul, step out of the car real quick.
What's going on?
We'll explain everything to you in a second.
I want to talk to you about something that happened at Walmart.
What I did, sir?
I got to detain you for that warrant. What's your brother's name? Come on now.
I don't know who that is.
In Palm Coast, Florida, a late-night trip to Walmart ended in handcuffs for a couple who allegedly tried to leave with a cart full of unpaid merchandise. The suspects, Lewis Watson and Maggie Bennett, weren't just facing a shoplifting accusation. Deputies say they lied about their names, denied knowing each other, and were both wanted in neighboring counties.
They didn't respond. They said
Be at Parkway and 9523 Alpha Lima Mike uniform 23A LMU. It's going to be on a black Nissan too. Start me another unit.
Dispatch.
Robert, show me your hands.
Dispatch received.
No, I'm not going to. Hey, y'all put your hands out the window. Hands out the window. Thank you.
back passenger window down.
It's an Uber.
All right. Back passenger, you just keep your hands up. Back passenger. Thank you guys.
Nice and good.
How's everybody doing?
All right.
What's your name, brother?
My name is Paul Watson III.
Paul, step out of the car real quick.
What's going on?
We'll explain everything to you in a second.
Pull back your back. Oh.
I'll grab your phone for you. I got you.
Pull back your back. You got anything on, bud?
Nah. What's going on, sir?
We're going to explain it. Just slow down a second.
At that moment, he realized why he was being pulled over. So when the officer asked for his ID, he hesitated. The officer noticed he wasn't pulling it out, so they told him to sit on the ground to make sure he didn't make any life-threatening moves, as they no longer trusted him.
You got warrants or something?
I just got a whatchamacallit for paying child support.
Okay.
Okay.
If it come up, I don't know if it come up.
I don't know if it's local or not. It might not even extradite in this area. Where was it from, like the area?
Daytona.
It might be specific to Volusia County. Sometimes they're specific to counties only. You know, especially if it's something so minor like that.
Yeah. What happened though? What's going on?
84.
Where are you coming from?
I was in the car, my Uber coming from Bunnell.
Bunnell?
39
Alright.
841668.
Hey, so you work for Uber? Where'd y'all pick up at? Okay. Okay.
I got the safety.
I'm good.
You got the what?
Safety. I get free rides, so I can buy.
You good, bro?
Okay. No, that's fine.
You said not yet.
No. I got some stuff to talk to you about.
What happened?
He's gonna explain it, but we gotta go through our normal process, man.
Yeah, but I want to talk to you about something that happened at Walmart.
Yeah, what happened at Walmart?
Something you would tell me.
I didn't steal nothing.
I didn't say you stole nothing, but I asked you where you're coming from. You said Bunnell.
Oh,
Hey, brother.
That's why we
brother,
just come from.
Just tell me what happened.
Okay. I was in the store and I was shopping. Some lady tried to stop me or whatever like that. And I told her, I said, I was getting ready to go up here and whatchamacallit, but I don't know what she had going on. So I just walked out the store. I didn't steal nothing. I didn't take nothing. So I didn't steal nothing.
Gotcha.
I didn't take nothing. So
Okay. Did you talk to any of the employees there on your way out?
no, I don't know who that lady was. I don't think she was an employee.
Why do you say that?
I don't know, but I didn't take nothing. I didn't steal.
Gotcha.
All right.
So what?
What lady? When you say that you don't think the lady was an employee, what lady are you talking about?
I don't know. She had she didn't have nothing. No, she didn't have nothing like.
But she said something to you, or you said something to her, or what?
Nah, I would know. I just spoke to her and said how she's doing. She said, you got a receipt. I'm like, I'm going up here to whatchamacallit. I had some stuff to return and stuff. But she was making a big deal out of it, so I just like walked out the store, man, because I didn't want.
Where's the stuff you were returning?
I don't have it. I didn't ever take nothing.
Okay. Where did the stuff you were returning come from?
No, I'm saying I had stuff in my car.
Okay.
I'm a little upset and nervous.
Yeah, you're good.
But
Yeah, that's why I want you to just calm down.
Okay.
I need to understand what happened, so just describe it to me like I wasn't there.
All right. I was coming. I was in the store. I was getting ready to turn out and go towards the whatchamacallit. I wanted to put some money on my card so I can pay for my whatchamacallit.
What's the whatchamacallit?
Pay for my stuff, my item.
Okay.
Okay. The lady stopped me and made this whole big deal, the ordeal, and I didn't know who she was. So I'm like, man, you know what? I didn't take nothing. That's all I know. I didn't steal nothing, and I didn't take nothing.
All right, where did she talk to you at?
At the door, like right before the door.
Okay.
But I didn't take nothing. I didn't steal nothing. I didn't take nothing. I didn't go out the door with it. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I left the car in there with her, so I did not take nothing.
So you just went back and got your car in the parking lot?
No.
What happened from there?
I waited. I walked off. I walked off because I didn't want to. I don't know what's going on.
I just want to clarify. What was it you were returning though?
Man, I left my return thing in there. I ain't even.
So what were you returning?
No, I had a card, right? I was going to return. The way it goes, I didn't take nothing.
Man, I'm not asking you. You already told us like 9 times you didn't take nothing. What were you returning?
We're just trying to get everything straight.
Yeah, okay.
We need the story. We're good.
Every time, he kept telling the officers that he didn't take anything. The reason it was taking so long to arrest him was because, until now, the officers hadn't seen this footage.
I just had like a 6-pack of shirts I was gonna try to return.
And you just left them there?
No, I left everything in there. Everything I was gonna get, I left.
But where's the shirts you were returning?
They still in the store.
You just left your property there
I go by and it's a return.
So you walked in with the shirts in?
No, I'm saying I didn't leave out the store with nothing.
No, I'm saying like you
understand.
brought
In
the
the store
shirt
or something.
specifically to the store to exchange?
Well, I was going to exchange.
Brother man.
No, okay, all right.
No, it doesn't make
I'm
any
nervous,
sense.
man, because
Come on,
I'm mad
man.
and upset I ain't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? I didn't take the stuff. In other words, I just didn't take it.
I'm not worried about you taking the stuff. I'm worried about what you were returning. And
Oh.
what can we make some sense of that?
Okay.
Because you didn't walk in with the shirts. You were trying to return them.
I just said return because I'm nervous, but I wasn't returning that. But I was taking my stuff.
Hey,
What?
you didn't take nothing.
I didn't take nothing.
You didn't take the notes.
No, I did.
I understand. You gotta call.
No, I didn't know. I didn't call.
I understand.
Yeah.
I understand. Like, I need you to just be honest.
I'm being honest with you.
I want you to get it.
Okay, I did not come in the store with
And these
nothing.
discrepancies.
Okay, I did not make it. I did not go past the door. Okay, so I did not take nothing.
And I'm not saying you did.
Okay,
That's what I'm
getting. That's what I'm getting
Yeah.
at for real. I did not
I
take
get
it.
that.
I didn't go past.
We figured out once we stopped them. I called Walmart and they said they still saw the car. So they hopped in an Uber before we realized what was happening. So we were on the crash. And as we started looking, we're looking for a person. So I called Walmart to get some details. They're like, he's in a black Nissan Altima. He's at the light right now. We were pulling out by Texas Roadhouse. We just watched them turn on the Palm Coast Parkway.
So tell me about this lady, this interaction.
perfect
I don't know who
time.
that lady was.
What did she say to you?
She's like, hey, how you doing?
You think she has a
I
child
said, hey, how you doing? She's like, you okay?
Yeah, he was fiddling
She's like,
with his license for forever. I'm like, dude, just give us the license. He was trying to
like, what
avoid
are you doing?
Yeah, the
I was
license.
like, man, I was turning
Yeah.
my car around. I was like, man, I ain't doing nothing. I'm just, I said, man, I'm shopping. You know what I mean?
I got you.
And then I was like, shit, I got a receipt for where I had added money to my car for add money to my car. I was like, I'm going to check on that.
After some time, once officers confirmed he was indeed the suspect, they wasted no time and arrested him immediately. Stay tuned, because there's a story coming up about the woman who was riding with him in the Uber.
What I did, sir?
I gotta detain you for that warrant for pollution.
Oh, man.
So we're just gonna go with that right now.
Just trying to move your watch a little bit
Yeah,
so
I'm
the
not,
cops
I'm not
don't
trying to
get in
get
the way.
your watch, bud. But we're gonna do that real quick.
That's it?
Yeah, because I have to detain you for that.
You guys together? You guys don't know each other?
Nah. Okay.
Alpha 212 teletype.
I understand. I'm just saying.
Alpha 212.
You guys really
Got one detained reference.
is that with Walmart?
What is this?
That's my room key.
That's your room key for where?
What's your name again? Huh?
For where?
Sleeping in motel.
I understand. I still gotta get her name.
Why? For what?
Because right now, I still gotta figure out a ton of information from Walmart.
Yeah, but that's about you though. That ain't got nothing to do with it.
I understand that.
You just get your name. What do you want?
Like, because I don't
I'm
want
not trying to be an asshole.
Yeah, I don't
just
want. Yeah, man, I don't want him to have somebody in there.
Okay. All right. Lean up right here. I'm gonna finish searching. All right. Lift your foot up for me.
I got you.
Thank you,
I
bud.
ain't going nowhere, man.
No, he's saying so you don't fall.
Yeah, no, man. I don't know if you got poor balance or nothing. Just don't want you falling over.
So I gotta
Yeah,
bring
bro.
the extra down.
No, we're gonna see about that. I still haven't got it back yet. But coming back with a warrant, I want. Yeah.
But I was honest with you, sir.
Or hop in here real quick. I know.
It's not necessarily that they're going to take
for you.
No, not yet. Just hop in here.
My wallet's up there, sir.
Yeah, I know.
I can't get in. Shit. Damn, man, don't take me like that for jail. Please, God.
All right, step out of the car. Let's talk.
Well, I'm about to confirm. Unless did they give any other description? They give any other description?
I need to talk to her.
Okay.
We'll verify her. You got a lot going on now. Listen, you got a lot going on. We usually do this one where we're talking about
Not much, but
so all the photo that we ran out. Okay, that's all I've got. So where were you at? Whose car is this? That's your wheel truck.
Nothing at all.
You guys didn't come up here together?
No, we did not.
I need you to tell me what's going on because you know that doesn't make it. Listen, you need to worry about me right now. 'Cause I'm the one that's got to make sense of it.
He don't like.
How am I supposed to believe you for something like that?
I don't know, sir.
Just tell me what happened. I know
I
y'all
don't
come
know
up here
what
together.
happened. I wasn't with him.
I know
I
that he
can't
called
tell.
you for a ride.
So, when deputies at the Palm Coast Walmart reviewed the footage, they spotted a woman matching the exact description: red shirt, red pajamas, walking out with a cart full of items. That's when things took a darker turn.
Can I sit down?
In the car?
Yeah, I'm not gonna do
Let's see.
anything.
You sit down here, but I can't
I'm
have you back in the car.
Look at my leg. It's real swollen.
I'm fine with you sitting down out here, but I can't have you back in the car.
you all right? You almost fell
I
over.
know it.
So, I'm back.
Can I make a couple of calls?
Just give me a second.
Please let me talk to
Give me a
the
second.
detective lady.
Where's your ID at?
Sir.
Here.
Ooh, thank you.
All them cards. Those cards are
Maggie.
Maggie. What about the other ones? There's something else with the debit card number in there. See?
Oh no, this is my brother.
Let me see that. What's your brother's name? What's your brother's name? Come on now.
Sam Cooper?
Who's it is?
I don't
need
know
you-
who that is.
Okay. Here's where we're at.
I don't, sir.
No, don't. No. Listen to me. Listen to me. Come on now.
I don't know who them is, sir. It just was in my pocketbook. It's not a big deal.
What was it? Credit
We got
card
part
somewhere?
where it is.
You got mine.
Can we?
Yep.
Come on out.
Come on.
Can I smoke?
See if your car's done. Actually, yeah. I'm gonna sit it right here.
Let's
Put your hands behind your back. You're being detained, okay?
let you get 2-3 puffs of that before we
Yeah.
put it out, okay?
You know
Can't
why
have
I'm
you in my
detaining you?
backseat with it.
I'm not lying to you.
Because you're lying to me.
I don't
You
know.
got all kinds of stuff going on. We're gonna have to have a conversation.
Okay.
And I want to have a real conversation
Yeah.
with you.
Sir,
You know what I'm
could you
saying?
get the lighter and light
Yeah.
it for me, please?
Okay.
Please?
Oh, you need a light?
Yeah.
I'll let you get a puffer in too, but you're gonna have to go. I'm trying to get you some AC real quick. I need to figure out some stuff.
Okay.
Can you place her?
Yeah. Get 2-3 puffs out of it?
Yeah.
All right. I'm just gonna have you lean up against my car right here for just a second, okay?
I ain't going nowhere, sir. You can. I can't even run, sir. I promise you that. I'm not going nowhere.
I appreciate that. Sometimes people tell me that and then
No,
they take off running.
no.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick, and
No.
stab me? Okay. Do you have any pockets on these pants?
Wait. I think my driving license.
Your driver license is in your pants.
Yes.
Okay.
Right there.
I'm not gonna
Just
go
let
reaching.
it go. Just let my arm go and I'll stick my hand and give it to
Okay.
you.
So it was in her
Listen to me.
pants.
Listen to me. This is your last chance to lie to me if you have any kind of concern. You understand that? Okay. I can talk to you.
Is that better?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me get you in my back seat, get you in some AC, okay? It's hot out here.
All right. No, I'm gonna come around and buckle you in, boss.
I'm good, sir. I ain't gonna go nowhere.
No, I know. I want you to go into the back of the cage.
Oh.
Deputies say this was far from a simple theft case. Both suspects came with extra legal baggage. Charges: Lewis Watson, shoplifting, false name to law enforcement, Volusia County warrant; Maggie Bennett, shoplifting, false name to law enforcement, Putnam County warrant. Watson's bond was set at $970. Bennett is being held without bond. In Flagler County, stealing and lying only guarantees one thing: a trip to the Green Roof Inn.